Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story. Well, this story is related to the use of simple past tense. We use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. The pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb 2. The negative form of simple past tense is subject plus did not or didn't plus verb 1. Then the question form is did plus subject plus verb 1. We can also use question forms like what, when, where, why or how, then followed by did plus subject plus verb 1. To improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Bill Rivera is talking about himself. Last night, I went to a movie. I saw a comedy. I liked it so much. After the movie, I went to a Chinese restaurant. After dinner, I walked home. But when I got home, I could not find my keys. Well, what did I do then? I climbed up through the window, but one of my neighbors saw me. He thought I was a burglar. He called the police. I was in bed when they came. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer the questions. Question number 1. Did Bill Rivera go to a movie last night? What kind of movie did he see? Did he like it very much? What did he do after the movie? Well, did he find his keys when he got home? How did he come in? Did he climb up through a window? Did one of his neighbors see him? Did he call the police? Where was he when they came? Well, what about you? What did you do last night? Did you go to a movie? Where did you have dinner? What did you do after dinner? Well, what time did you go to bed last night? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.